Hi teachers, welcome to the unit on budgeting and saving. And like all the units that you have been looking at, this is a combination of learning resources. We have videos with a little triangle there and articles, and then we have exercises for your students to work through. Now, this unit right over here is still, I would consider, one of the foundational ideas in financial literacy. A lot of financial literacy people go into optimizing interest rates and investing, but at the end of the day, you have to have some money to invest to begin with. And the way that you get that money is by saving. And one of the ways to help you save is to budget things out, to write down the money coming in and all the money that you think is going out, and then comparing that to reality. So that's the goal of this unit. Now, as I've said in other units, it's great if you have limited time, just try to work through the exercises in this unit. You can see up here there are 5 exercises. You could also do it as quizzes or unit tests. But ideally, if you have more time, I encourage you to go through the articles and videos so that you have full exposure to what the students are looking at. And as you can see, it's very much practical skills in the real world. We didn't want to make it abstract. Another thing that I've told educators all over the place, I try to do this in many of the videos, is I don't want to just make it, hey, a student, in theory you could do this. I try to give a little bit of stories in my own life without divulging too much personal information. And as an adult in these students' lives, the more that you can also tell them maybe how you budget, or you forgot to budget, or you wish you budgeted, or how you're saving, etc., I think it just makes it that much more real for students. So from budgeting, reducing expenses, I always say the best financial advice is living below your means. That's how you're going to save money and be resilient financially. Why do you need to save money? Ways that you could think about it, etc. And then obviously it all just gets summarized in a unit test. So enjoy.